Hello everyone, it is Jay from Iconic Classic Motors here in St. Charles, Missouri. And today we're doing the walk around of the 2004 Chevy Corvette Coupe. It is painted in Arctic white, finished off with red leather interior. It is powered by the LS1 with a 6-speed manual transmission. It has 112,000 miles on it. It runs and drives great with Michelin tires on all 4 corners. It does have the removable target top, Hurst Shifter, and this Vette is in excellent shape. I wouldn't let the miles scare you on it. It runs and drives great. Some flaws. There looks like there is a little touch-up paint there on the mirror. But other than that, there is no scratches or dings or anything in this car. It does have Silverline exhaust on it. Chrome wheels, memory package. Unfortunately, I will not be able to take this for a drive because I have broken my foot and I can't drive manual cars, but I can do a cold start for you. It fires right up. It does shift through all the gears. We just took this in on a trade on another Vette and he drove it 2 hours to get here. So it runs and drives great. Has a heads-up display. The top is in the trunk currently. Love the red interior. Her shifter, I believe it's just a shift knob. I don't think it is a short throw shifter or anything like that. Does have the floor mats, fog lights. It is a pretty well equipped Corvette. There is the top. The carpet in the back with the cargo net. It is spotless and flawless. This is a beautiful, beautiful Corvette. So if you're looking to get into the Corvettes here and get your first Corvette, this is one that I would recommend. It is in really good shape, runs and drives great, and it's something that you can enjoy. AC blows cold, power windows and locks work, keyless entry. We will go ahead and start this up. As you can see, got a broken foot, so I got to use my other foot. It's got a good rumble to it. All the lights will go off. Power mirrors work. Everything works on this car. Go through it here and do like weather stripping on the top up here. Looks really good. Back here, looks really good. Let's sit here. We'll do the windows. Driver window up. Passenger window up. Passenger mirror down. Passenger mirror, our driver mirror down and up. AC set to auto. cold. It does have heads-up display. Don't know if you can see that in the window. Let's get turn on the hazards. We gotta find them. There we go. Just show you that blinkers and everything works. Please let us know if you have any questions about this car. I'm happy to answer them. You can give me a call or a text at that number listed on our website. But that does conclude the video of the 2004 Chevy Corvette Coupe. So, thanks for watching.